In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a different footer to a page in Google Docs. So technically that kind of thing would be impossible because when you put something into any footer on any page, that setting or that footer would be applied to every page on your document. So if I put some content here, you can see that there is some text that I put at the footer. Now that same content would appear on every page of the document, which is not something that we want here. So there is only one workaround that allows you to create a different footer on a specific page, and we are going to be using a feature from Google's drawing. So let's place the cursor somewhere in the document, especially in the area that you want to add a different footer. Let's say I want to add a different footer on this page. So let's place the cursor right here and then go to the insert menu, click drawing, and then click new. So here you can put some image, you can put some shape or text, anything that you want is possible here. So just to give you an example, I'm going to put some text. Let's say this is going to be company name, and let's increase the size. And also I want to put some image. This is going to be just simple image, and of course you could put some company logo or anything that you want. It's totally up to you. Let's put it here and just wait for a second. Okay, now I'm going to make it a bit smaller. Let's put it here and let's drag it to the top left of the drawing. And there you go. Oops. Okay, when you're done, you can click save and close. And now we have this element that basically we can move around to any part of our document. So click on it, and I personally going to be using this setting that says in front of text. And after that, you can just move it to the bottom part. This is not the footer, but hey, they share the same location, so we might as well just call it footer. And by the way, you have to be careful. You don't want to accidentally put it exactly in the footer like that. So be careful. Yeah, sometimes Google Docs will automatically detect that you are trying to put something in the footer, and we don't want to allow that. So you just have to be careful when you put in the content. Okay, so that's kind of strange because usually it didn't happen, but for some reason when I'm trying to record, yeah, it did happen. Okay, maybe we have to try a different setting. Maybe let's try this one. Yeah, okay, so it's just a matter of the text wrapping setting. Instead of using in front of the text, you use wrap text if you want to put this in the footer. So Google Docs won't automatically put that as a content for the footer. And there you go. Now you have this content, this footer on this page only, but it doesn't appear on other pages, and this is exactly what we wanted to achieve. So anyway, I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.